met a girl named Chew Tobacco Ella, prettiest girl in the whole wide West. But one thing you got to know about her, she got a kick, a habit which ain't the best. Never knew a gal who was quite so pretty, never knew a gal who was quite so sweet. But when you visit Chew Tobacco Ella, I reckon you gotta watch where you put your feet. One year on the day of Ella's birthday, I went and bought her a cuspidor. She went and filled it full of flowers. Reckon she didn't know what it was for. Never knew a gal who was quite so pretty, never knew a gal who was quite so sweet. But when you visit Chew Tobacco Ella, I reckon you gotta watch where you put your feet. I went and looked at Ella's carpet. She said it was the prettiest pink around, but that had been before tobacco. Now all our carpet is a spit-stained brown. Never knew a gal who was quite so pretty, never knew a gal who was quite so sweet. But when you visit Chew Tobacco Ella, you gotta be careful where you put your feet. Visited her doctor. He got her to quit all this tobacco chew. Doc said that quitting made her healthy. Reckon it was good for her carpet too.